Hello guys! Today we will learn how we uploaded a car image to Blender project. First of all, press 1 for front view. And then press Shift and A together, choose Image and choose References. We need car blueprint you can download from Google. When you upload this car blueprint in Blender, fix its position. Chance opacity 0.3 is fine. And then press 7 for top view. Again press Shift and A together, choose Image and Reference. Fix its position again. Do same thing for right position. Press 3 for right view. Again, change its position by pressing G. You can see my mouse and keyboard movements in the right corner of screen. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share.